Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of rollerblading and explore the top 5 best rollerblades for men. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these rollerblades are sure to enhance your skating experience. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, without further ado, let's roll into it. Starting off our list is the K2 Skate Trio LT100 Men's. Sleek, maneuverable, and flexible. There's a lot to like about the K2 Skate Trio LT100 inline skates. From casual cruising to more strenuous workouts, these versatile skates deliver all-around performance and functionality. Equipped with three 100mm wheels and a mesh and synthetic boot, these blades are designed to enhance speed and range of motion while skating. Flexible cuffs and an anatomically shaped foam liner with ventilation provide ample comfort and a snug fit. The aluminum frames are an upgrade from many entry-level skates, improving handling and power transfer while shedding weight to reduce fatigue. This higher-level skate still maintains some handy beginner features, namely a heel brake and lacing system with a lace-locking tab. The skate is further secured via a cuff buckle and a 45-degree power strap. Next up, we have the Rollerblade Men's Advantage Pro XT. The Rollerblade Advantage Pro XT is a budget-friendly recreational skate that still affords comfort and durability. It's equipped with a padded liner and supportive shell to keep feet securely in place while picking up speed. The skate's cuff buckle, 45-degree strap, and laces promote extra stability and support. Bearings on this skate are designed for decent speed capabilities with an A7 convertible Franks rating. The 80mm wheels have a 78A durometer rating, enhancing grip and speed while giving the option to ride indoors without slipping on the hardwood. Moving on to our third pick, the Rollerblade Men's Zetrablade inline skates. Whether you're trying the sport for the first time or returning from a long hiatus, a pair of user-friendly rollerblades can help hone your skills. The Rollerblade Zetrablade inline skates provide ideal beginner features, including a lower frame profile to improve balance, a high cuff for support, and a heel brake for precise stopping. Barry Heath, Level 1 instructor at SkateFresh, advises that beginners opt for rollerblades with a heel brake. It's arguably the easiest way to slow down and control your speed when learned correctly, Heath says. The blade's 80mm wheels are also geared for novice skaters, as the lower height helps with coordination and balance. The closure system consists of a cuff buckle, 45-degree hook and loop closure strap, and laces for top-notch stability. As skaters get more experienced, they can upgrade these blades with higher performance wheels to continue their growth. Our fourth pick is the Luigino Strut inline skates. Mastering your technique is key for reaching top speeds, as is finding the right skates. With its three-wheel design and compatibility with 125mm wheels, the Luigino Strut 3-wheel is geared for swift and nimble performance. The skate's carbon fiber boot is heat moldable to achieve a custom fit, which can be done via a Quatec heat molding system or carefully in the oven. A nano buckle and wax laces help keep feet locked into place while training or racing at high speeds. Despite the snug fit, these skates integrate comfort with high-density sole padding, ankle padding, and pre-shaped latex foam around the Achilles tendon. For more control, skaters can opt for the 4-wheel model. Last but certainly not least, we have the Rollerblade RB XL. Having large feet can make it challenging to find footwear and rollerblades that fit. But the Rollerblade RB XL is specifically designed for bigger feet, with only sizes 14-17.5 on offer. These blades are also designed with an extruded aluminum frame, enhancing durability and power transfer. The 90mm 84A wheels deliver extra speed and hardness that's suitable for indoor and outdoor skating. A padded liner and a reinforced high cuff provide comfort and lateral support for hours of inline skating. The skates are equipped with a cuff buckle, strap, and laces to secure a snug fit. And there you have it, our top 5 best rollerblades for men. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, happy skating!